Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you when you are updating your Windows update. If you get this error like update 2026-05 KB5089573 in not installing Windows level. If you get this error, simply few methods try to if this error fix it. And in this video, seeing before, if you are beginner, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Don't waste up time. Let's go at the steps. In these steps, trying before. In these steps, one by one follow to this problem fix it. Okay, let's go for the step. Restart.